Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. New off-campus drive from the Cognizant company for the art and science candidates, fresher candidates, batch 2019, 2020 and 2021. The test and the interview process will be conducted virtually due to ongoing COVID-19 situation. Only candidates who meet all the eligibility criteria should apply for this opportunity. So we will check what is the eligibility criteria and how to register. Okay, so Cognizant is hiring for the art and science candidates batch 2019, 2020 and 2021. This is an off-campus recruitment. Okay, uh, Cognizant is hiring for two roles mainly: IT programmer trainee and second is CIS graduate trainee. Role 1 IT programmer trainee. What is the eligibility criteria? 2019, 2020 and 2021 batch of BCA, BSc in IT, computer science, computer technology, mathematics, physics, chemistry, statistics. PG courses are not eligible. Consistent academic record of minimum 50%. You should have minimum 50% in 10th, 12th diploma, undergraduation. All UG subjects taken into consideration. No standing arrears, no backlog are allowed in current education. Maximum of 2 years of gap in education. Open to Indian national only. Flexible to relocate in any location in India. Work in any shift or domain. Okay, any location across India means Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, all these location. Designation is programmer trainee. They will offer you CTC 2,52,000 per annum. Selection process will be online assessment for eligible candidates and there will be virtual interview. Job description: requirement analysis, high level design, minor coding changes, unit testing, documentation closure. Use tools and techniques for automation of unit testing. Develop stub programs to minimize defect leakage in ST and UAT. Then independency: resolve technical issues in a programming language or environment. Understand the industry business model and its role in the overall scheme of things. Then possesses a drive strong to innovate, experiment with new technology. So that is the job description they are expecting from you. Then role 2 will be CIS graduate trainee. All arts and science UG courses from batches 2019, 2020 and 2021. PG courses are not eligible. Consistent academic record of a minimum 50% in 10th, 12th diploma, undergraduation. Same criteria as a role 1. No backlog allowed. Maximum 2 year of gap. Open to Indian national only. You need to work in any shift, any domain. You need to flexible. You should be flexible to relocate to any location in India. Designation is graduate trainee and they will offer you CTC salary 2,52,000 per annum. And selection process will be online assessment for eligible candidates and there will be virtual interview. So all these things in the job description they are mentioned to assess problems and issues with the IT requirement and application and help to resolve these issues for the users. Provide technical support and assistance to customer experiencing a wide range of computer problems. Then job involves on-site or remote technical assistance including setting for computer hardware system, installing and upgrading software and troubleshooting basic IT issues. Adherence to quality, security and compliance requirement. Contribution to continuous improvement and innovation plans and knowledge management. Extremely good communication skill you should have and basic computer hardware and networking knowledge also. Should be open to work in 24/7 shift. Should be open for relocation and should have assertive frame of mind while executing the day-to-day tasks. An attitude to work with application or system to analyze, diagnose and resolve issues will be an added advantage. Only candidates with the listed above skill sets are eligible to register. Okay, so now how to register for this position. Okay, so you can see this image. As you are able to see this image, what you need to do, you just click anywhere on the screen, or if you click anywhere on the screen, just click one time, the new page will open. You can see here the new page is opened. So you need to fill this form to apply Cognizant off campus drive. select any of the position that you are interested in. Then first name, last name, mobile number, mail id, your gender, re-enter your mail id, your date of birth, your nationality, then your aggregate percentage in 10th passing year, then your aggregate percentage in diploma or 12th, then 12th or diploma passing year, then your highest graduation in degree, BA, BSc, BCA, BCom, BBA and others. Okay, so fill all these details as per requirement and submit this form. Okay, so please apply for this position, don't miss this chance, and thanks for watching this video.